No. You're chicken winging. You're chicken winging. You gotta keep your arms straight so you don't chicken wing.
Okay, so keep my arms straight?
That's what I just said, isn't it?
Okay. So.
All right, your arms straight. Now, we gotta say palm up, palm down. Palm up, palm down.
Okay. Palm up, palm down. Why isn't it working?
I don't know. I have no idea what the I'm doing.
Hey guys, welcome back to Pro Speed Baseball. In today's video, we're going to talk about how trying to stay palm up, palm down could be causing a massive chicken wing in your swing. Let's go ahead and get started. Now I know the intro was a little goofy, and we talked about the long arm drill. Our goofy coach talked about the arm staying long, and there's all kinds of drills to kind of fix this chicken wing action. But the thing is here at Pro Speed Baseball, we try to approach things as best to our knowledge of between physics and biomechanics, how the body works, and how things govern our movement and our swing. So what we do is we need to understand, if we're trying to fix a chicken wing, we first say, okay, we isolate what the problem is, and then we isolate what's causing that problem. Now, a lot of this palm up, palm down talk, and I'm sure you've heard this, oh goodness, through all kinds of baseball instruction, that this is the most powerful position, palm up, palm down. We want to make sure that we're maintaining this so we can keep a flat spot through the swing, and we can really, give ourselves a lot of room for air. Well, I guess kind of if you were to sit here and do this slow, but what you're going to understand even more when we get by the time we get to the end of this video is that this could and very much will cause a lot of chicken wing action. Now, let's talk real quick about the palm up, palm down. Palm up, palm down is a thing that gets in the way of our release. If you guys remember from the release video, how we release the bat is unhinging our wrist and rolling over the hands. As the wrists are unhinging and rolling over, we're getting into contact. So my wrist from the max lag position, like we talk about in the bat lag section in the Pro Speed hitting system, when we start to release from here, I am now trying to unhinge and roll over my hands. I'm running into contact. You can see right here, I'm in a relative palm up, palm down position, but that's because I'm on my way to release the bat. That's the main thing to understand. And that's what we're going to talk about for the drill for this video. Now, why is palm up, palm down causing us to chicken wing? Well, if we understand what the chicken wing is, it's when we're coming through contact. I'll show you from face-on view right here. This elbow breaks down, and it never really gets into this nice extended released position. From the down the line view, if you guys didn't see enough from the intro, we see this elbow kind of fly up or bend down or break down. Well, if we understand how the elbow works, it's a hinge joint. It can literally only do one thing. It can hinge out and hinge close. That's all it can do. It can open and close or hinge back, hinge forward, however you want to call it. It can only do one movement. So if we understand where that hinge happens, which is right here at the elbow, where the hinge joint is, we can understand how to fix this. If we try to stay palm up, palm down, when our palm is down, the pit of our elbow is where we're going to key in here, right here where we hinge. If we're palm down, our pit of the elbow is going to have a really hard time to move up. Our tendency is to want to have that so if there was a laser beam coming out of the pit of my elbow, it's going to be pointing back this way. Now, if I bend from there, that's going to, and I never change that, I keep my palm down, that's going to make me chicken wing. What we need to do is we need to get that pit of the elbow to release as those hands roll over. Now, if those hands are rolling over, again, our elbow can only do one thing, is bend, is if we're going to release anything, it's going to release properly. So right here, as I'm rolling over my hands, the pit of my elbow is rolling over, and now we get no chicken wing. It is that simple, guys. If we understand how to control this lead arm where the pit of our elbow is, we can eliminate our chicken wing very, very easily. Now, it happens by making sure we're not trying to do something like keep our palm up, palm down through contact, because this is not how we want things to happen. We're not trying to push through the zone. We're trying to swing a bat with speed through the zone. So the main thing you guys are going to do here in the drill for this video is just allow your hands to roll over each other. Allow this right hand to roll over the left hand. So if you're in there with a chicken wing, don't worry too much about setup, too much about anything. I just want you to get in there on the tee, and I want you to start making some easy swings, maybe 20% swings where you're just allowing your hands to roll over. You can even start without the ball. Just allow your hands to roll over and go to your finish. You'll see if you allow your hands, that right hand, to get over the left hand, you'll never be able to chicken wing unless you're doing something like this. And this is very uncomfortable and not very natural. If it is, just know that, hey, I want to get that pit of the elbow pointing up, and it'll never, ever chicken wing. It's the only way the elbow can work. So after you get some dry swings in, try it out on the ball, where you're just letting those hands roll over, and you'll see that chicken wing will be gone immediately. No problem. I'll show you here from down the line. Right here, we're going to load stride. Just let those hands roll over. So you can see here, I'm not really trying to hit this ball hard. I'm just trying to get rid of a big, big problem. And I know there's a lot of you guys out there that suffer with this and don't know what's going on. Well, guys, if we understand how that elbow works, we can fix it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you leave a thumbs up and stay tuned. We got even better bonus coming up for you. If you guys want to make sure that you're not only getting that release down right and you're making sure you're coming through nice and smooth, not getting hooked up with the chicken wing, you're going to want to check out the wall drill. I'm going to play a preview of it at the end of this video, and if you just click on the link in the iCard or the description below, you'll be able to see that whole video absolutely free. Thanks again for watching, guys. Good luck to your swings, and we'll see you guys soon. Today, I'm going to show you the #1 move that kills bat lag. But most importantly, we're going to do a drill that will instantly give you a tight transition into bat lag and have your swing looking drastically better today. The move that I'm talking about here is when we're going into our transition and the bat lays down, and now the only thing that we have to rely on for bat speed is our pure strength. From Mike Trout, he does this really, really well. You'll see as we pause him here in the max bat lag position, his barrel is really high, and you can see that it's barely dipping into that line. You can imagine if this was a nail and this bat was a hammer, if I was trying to hammer this nail in like this would be kind of like me dumping the bat. But if I'm letting this hammer swing and slam into this ball over and over again, I'm going to be very, very efficient. Now, I'm sure you guys are ready for it by now. Let's go ahead and dive into the wall drill. All right, guys, here we go, the wall drill.